The Pilates exercise system was developed by Joseph Pilates to strengthen muscles, increase flexibility, and improve overall health. Pilates focuses on engaging the mind and body together to create exercises that involve the whole person. Joseph Pilates wrote a book called Return to Life through Contrology. And what he said is this: physical fitness is the first requisite of happiness. Our interpretation of physical fitness is the attainment and maintenance of a uniformly developed body with a sound mind fully capable of naturally, easily, and satisfactorily performing our many and very daily tasks with spontaneous zest and pleasure. To achieve the highest accomplishments within the scope of our capabilities in all walks of life, we must constantly strive to acquire strong, healthy bodies and develop our minds to the limit of our ability. Hi, my name is Paola Karoum, and I am a certified, comprehensively trained Pilates instructor, and welcome to my Crazy Pilates Life channel. For those of you who are new to Pilates, you're probably wondering, what in the heck am I doing? First of all, I am on what's called a reformer. It was invented by Joseph Pilates. It is an exercise machine that addresses every part of the body. Leg presses, abdominals, arm work, standing work, you name it. The Pilates Arc is based on the step barrel or spine corrector, also designed by Joseph Pilates. The Pilates Arc is designed to increase the strength of the core and the flexibility of the spine. If you don't have a Pilates Arc, it's lightweight, it's portable, and inexpensive version of the original step barrel, making the wonderful exercises of this piece of equipment available to more people than ever before. If you're interested in Pilates and this complex exercise system, please follow along with my page, for I plan to show all the movement within the comprehensive Pilates repertoire. I hope that you have fun with me, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Have a good day.